Today I am going to tell about the if-else statement. Previously I told the if statement. Now I am going to tell about the if-else statement. So what is the difference between if and if-else, and what is the use of if-else? In if, in simple if, we have taken two statements. We have taken the code here, then else statement. So this is the thing. Previously we have executed this. That means if this condition here, the condition placing here, is true, this code will be executed. That is, the code inside these blocks will be executed. Otherwise, this is skipped. Now, in the case of if else, if the condition is true, these statements will be executed and these statements will be skipped. If the condition is false, these statements will be skipped and the else statements will be executed. This is what if else is simply. Okay, fine. Now let me come up with a program. This program, guys, is for you right from starting. If you don't write, you will not get anything. Dash include stdio.h, then find void main, then take two integer variables, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 10, both are not equal. Then writes if else statement. If a double equal to b, fine. Write conditions, printf a is equal to b, inside of if statement. Fine, else statement. Then write printf a is not equal to b, fine. Then write another printf statement, that is inside of else statement, fine. Now write another printf statement, outside of if else statement, and before that also write one printf statement, and you will install more printf before if else statements. See whether the syntax is correct. Yes, the syntax is correct. Let me check how it is going to be executed, and I will show you how it will be executed. See here, here the condition is a equal to b. That means the value of a is equal to a value of b. So value of a is 5 and value of b is 10. 5 double equal to 10. It is false. 5 is not equal to 10. So it is false. That means these these statements will be skipped and these statements will be executed. That's what the meaning is. If this condition is true, these statements will be executed and these statements will be skipped. Now let me debug. You will understand more. Fine. Then start debugging. Then go debugging window. Find where the debugging windows. Then watch. Keep it there. Then see how the values. See, this is the first line. See, the output is nothing. Fine. The output is before if else statement. The printf statement is executed and the value of a, here the value of a is 5 and the value of b is 10. Now it is checking whether a is equal to b or not. Wow, fine. A is not equal to b. This condition is false. So it is skipped all these things and it came to this line. See the output is nothing. Now the output will be printed. Fine. See, A is not equal to B, so this line is printed and these lines are skipped. These lines are skipped. Please underline this point. And inside of else statement is executed. Then outside of else statement is also outside of if else statements also. That means this last statement is executed. Finally it is terminated. See what happened here. Fine. I think you understood. Now I will write A not equal to B. A not equal to B is true because the value of A is not equal to B. So let me debug. Now go again. Watches debugging window. Let me give it here. So the value of 5 and 10. So A is not equal to B. The output is nothing. And let me go. A is not equal to B. The output will be printed before if else statements. Then see these previously it skipped all the statements and went here. Now it came here. See the output is nothing, and the output changes now. A is equal to B. That means these statements are executing not bothered about the values of A and B. Fine. See what happened after executing this statement. Inside of if statement is printed and these all statements are skipped. These all else statements are skipped and it came to the last statement printf. Fine, and it will be printed that and the last statement outside of if else statements. Fine, and this is what I can say, and I think you understood clearly. And in next videos, in next tutorials, I am going to show you the multiple if else statements, that is more conditions. In here we have seen only one condition. If it is true, some statements are executed, and if it's not true, some conditions are some statements are executed. In next video I will show the multiple conditions of if else, that is called if else if. So please do practice.